This is AirTech Service Center. Today we got an iPhone XS Max in. Customer was complaining that they cracked their screen and that the touch is not working. And if you look here, non-responsive. So today we're going to replace their old screen with a new touch screen of ours. This is the iPhone XS Max. First thing you have to do is take out the bottom screws of the phone in order to get the screen to come from the assembly of the actual unit itself. Using a razor blade sometimes can help you, or even a playing card sometimes, just to give you a little leverage to remove the old screen. It removes just like so. It opens just like a book. Next step, you want to remove these screws using a T3 screwdriver. The reason why you want to remove these screws is so you can unplug the battery, which is an important step so you don't mess the motherboard up, as well as remove the old screen. You have 3 cables we have to remove here. If you look here, you have to remove that cable. It's for the battery. As you see, there's the other cable for the other battery. And this is for the touch / face ID. Be careful with that cable, it's very important. That's the simple removal process. Now you need to remove your old Face ID in order to put it on your new screen, as new screens don't come with the Face ID. It's helpful to use something thin, tweezers usually, but you have to be very careful here.
What's up, baby?
How you doing?
I edited it out.
It moves just like so. Old screen is done. Take your new screen that you bought. Now we need to reinstall the touch Face ID. You want to make sure you line it up exactly, because if the sensor's not all the way in, it won't recognize your face. Once it's lined up, hold it. Reinstall the screws. Be careful in attaching your old cable. It's very easy to cut these cables, so you have to be very careful when reinstalling them. There's 3 of them. Try turning the phone back on to make sure it turns on and working properly. As you can see with that, we have the Apple logo now. Now you want to test to make sure your new touch works, and as you can see here, it's working just fine. That's it from AirTech Service Center. Thank you.